Hello, I'm Vivian. Today I'm going to share how to make a daffodil. Prepare 3 balloons, white, green, yellow. We only need a short piece of yellow balloon, so I've only got one piece here. Stretch the white balloon a few times. Inflate it. Knot it. Massage it from beginning to end. Keep 5-finger width at the end. Make a double bubble of 4-finger width. Connect them. Pull the knot out. We need 5 same double bubbles. The second one. The third one. Try to make each one in the same size, so the petals of the daffodils are the same size. The fourth one. The fifth one. Wrap around the center point. Wrap it any way you want. Okay. 5 double bubbles are completed. Cut and knot it. Extra balloon can be knotted or stuffed directly into flower. The difference is that with a knot, the balloon will leak slower and longer. Stretch and inflate the yellow balloon. Knot it. Connect them. Make 3 ear bubbles. The first one. The second one. The third one. It looks a little messy now. It doesn't matter. Adjust them slightly. Wrap the balloon around the center. Cut and knot it. Put it aside. Stretch and inflate the green balloon. Knot it. Connect them. Make 3 single bubbles as calyx. Okay. 3 single bubbles are completed. Now adjust the petals. Three ear bubbles in the front and 3 ear bubbles in the back will hold the petals in place. Our daffodils is completed. Subscribe me for more balloon designs.